By the early 20th century, all but 5% of Scotland's forests had been cut down, and pine martens were hunted almost to extinction. The Western Highlands have always been one of their strongholds. And although the forest here has become fragmented, they have found an alternative. Gardens, such as this one down the road from Matt. Without trees, the pine martens use what they can to hone their climbing skills. These youngsters have grown up here. Generations have been coming to this garden for the last 20 years. Becoming bolder and bolder. Up to 16 pine martens may visit in a single night. But the pine marten that visits Matt's house is much more cautious. This new arrival, a female, less than a year old, is searching for a territory of her own. Matt doesn't want her to lose her natural caution around humans. But maybe his garden can provide the food and shelter that she needs.